You can work out, buy new clothes, fix your skincare routine, and still look off. Because real attractiveness isn't built in one area, it's destroyed by small, invisible habits you don't even notice. These are the 7 things that quietly destroy your looks. The things that lower your energy, drain your face, and kill your presence before you even say a word. And trust me, I've done most of them myself. Some of these took me years to fix, but once I did, my social life has changed dramatically. Let's break them down one by one. The first one, chronic stress. You can't look good if your body is constantly in fight or flight mode. When you're stressed, cortisol rises, and that single hormone affects everything about your appearance. Your skin breaks out, your face holds more water, and your muscles, especially around the jaw, stay tense. You frown more, clench more, and over time, your resting face becomes a reflection of pressure. It's subtle, but visible. You lose that calm, balanced energy that naturally makes people look composed. Even your posture changes. Shoulders roll forward, breathing gets shallow, and the face starts to look tired no matter how much you sleep. The fix isn't complicated. Start doing things that lower baseline stress. Training, sunlight, slow breathing, or just unplugging for 30 minutes. Even 10 quiet minutes away from noise resets your nervous system, because calmness is visible. When cortisol drops, your eyes brighten, your expression softens, and your face stops carrying tension it was never meant to hold. And that's what real attractiveness is. Not perfection, but composure under pressure. Number 2, sleep deprivation. Clubbing, late nights, drinking until the morning. Occasionally, even 2 or 3 nights in a row. It was normal, what with everybody doing the same thing. However, I had no idea how much of it was silently destroying my face and energy. Sleep deprivation does not just make you feel sleepy, it actually affects your biology. When you don't get much sleep, levels of cortisol increase, levels of testosterone decrease, and your body stops producing hormones needed in skin and muscle repairs. You wake up with a puffy, dull, and heavy face, not due to fat accumulation, but due to your body being in a recovery state. One night of poor sleep, and the effect is visible on your face. Your jaw drops, your eyes lose focus, and your overall look of alertness appears depleted. And when you continue to do that pattern every week, it adds up, and your body forgets what full recovery even feels like. So if you want to look better, don't start with supplementation or skin routines first. Start with sleep, because nothing will ruin your appearance quicker than acting like you don't need sleep. The third thing that ruins your looks is your diet. When you consume refined food high in sugar, salt, and seed oils, your body retains water and your digestive juices slow down, causing inflammation to build up just below the skin. And in addition to all of this, the fact is that the inflammation causes your features to soften and your skin to lose its natural glow. Even if you're exercising every day, you cannot overcome poor nutrition. Whether you like it or not, your organism will reflect what's going on inside. Compare 2 individuals with the same genetic makeup. One eats real food, lean proteins, vegetables, lots of water. The other one eats snacks, soda, and takeaway food. After 1 month, you'll notice the change right away. The first one is confused with the model, while the second one looks like he ate the first guy. It's not about being perfect, it's about being aware. What you eat becomes your face. After I cut out all the processed food in favor of just lean meat, rice, vegetables, fruit, and water, I started noticing that my face was slimming down. So clean up your diet first before pursuing pricey creams and vitamin products. Lack of exercise and low testosterone. There was a period when I was not consistent with training. I'd go to the gym for a week and then make excuses. I'm tired. I'll start Monday. I was trying to keep up, but actually, I was steadily relinquishing what made me project the image of strength. And it wasn't just muscle. If you stop training, your testosterone levels will decrease, your metabolism will slow down, and your body will begin storing more fat, especially in the lower face and neck areas. Your posture gets weaker, your skin gets less elastic, and your energy levels dip. This is why sedentary people tend to appear older and softer, even if they're the same age and weight as an exercising person. Exercise is more than just physical. Exercise is chemistry. It increases testosterone levels, reduces cortisol, increases blood flow, and enhances your overall mood. All of that comes out in your face, skin, color, and expression. And the best thing is that you don't need to live in the gym. 3 to 4 target training sessions are enough to maintain high levels of testosterone in your body and keep your face firm. Sunlight exposure. There's just something different about people who get out in real sunlight, and they just look alive. Their eyes are clearer, their skin has color, and their energy feels grounded. Sunlight does more than warm your skin. When natural light enters your eyes and face, it stimulates your brain to establish your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. That rhythm regulates your sleep patterns, your hormonal balance, even the amount of water in your body. After I began taking morning walks and having beach days, everything changed. What did catch my eye right off was not the tan, but clarity. My spirits were lifted, my mind clarified, and my face lost its dull quality. This natural light lets your body know when to produce the hormone serotonin, which helps you feel awake during the day, and melatonin, which helps you sleep at night. Better sleep means better skin, more refined features, and more balanced energy. You don't have to sunbathe or search for your tan like me. What you need is direct sunlight on your skin, in your eyes, every day. Get out into the day, breathe, and give your body the one signal it can understand: sunlight. Skincare. Your face is constantly exposed to the world, and over time, that exposure leaves a mark. What many people interpret as aging is often just the result of accumulated neglect. Skin that hasn't been properly cleaned, protected, or cared for. Cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin are quiet acts of self-preservation. Small rituals that keep what's natural in you alive and lasting. But beyond the physical benefits, there's something more subtle at play. The act of caring for your skin is a reflection of how you show up for yourself. It's not the products that matter most. It's the consistency, the attention, the decision to tend to something that's yours and irreplaceable. Just like exercise shapes your body, small daily habits shape your presence. And when you treat your face with care, it shows, not just in how you look, but in how you carry yourself. No presence and confidence. Attractiveness is more than just what you look like. It's how you carry what you look like. Presence comes from self-command. That quiet confidence in which you're not performing, you're just there. Humans react to it instinctively, since they perceive it as down to earth, not forced. I believed confidence was being loud, constantly trying to prove something. However, the more I grew in years, the more I understood. True confidence comes with self-restraint. It's moving at a slow pace when others move quickly, talking in low tones when others speak loudly. It's posture, eye contact, and awareness. The kind of discipline that projects control without ever having to utter a word. Start small. Keep your posture when you enter the room. When you talk, look people in the eye. Be decisive, even with simple matters. You're training your nervous system not to be tentative, not to wait, but to be what you already are. That, in short, is the essence of presence, not pretending to be more, but instead ending the performance of being less. When you get to that level, you stop seeking validation, and ironically, that is when others start taking notice. Confidence does not come from one's appearance. Looks only serve to accentuate the problem. Presence is the signal sent out to the world saying, I know who I am, and I don't need to prove it. Final thoughts. All the things you just heard, sleep, stress, nutrition, exercise, sunlight, skin, confidence, they're all part of one thing: self-respect. Personal maintenance does not relate to vanity, but rather to alignment. If your actions meet your standards, then your mind is in peace. And when your mind is calm, confidence naturally follows. Remember, perfection comes not from hard work, but from self-control and reflection. The instant you become respectful of your own work, your face changes, your attitude changes, and other people will pick up on it even if they can't explain what they perceive. Hence, forget seeking validation. Build discipline. Live in such a way that every day reminds you you're steering your life, not just reacting to what's happening. That's what Transcender Project is all about. Not shortcuts, not illusions, even just the process of defining what's already there until the exterior matches what's been developing on the inside.